pufferfish. While not the biggest or most ferocious entry on our list, the pufferfish is nevertheless extremely dangerous. If inflating its body doesn't discourage predators, then its high levels of toxicity sure do.
Just hoping it doesn't move suddenly. But I can see very clearly now those mouth parts.
Pufferfish possess tetrodotoxin, which is over 1,000 times more lethal than cyanide. A single pufferfish has enough tetrodotoxin to kill 30 adult humans.
フグとフグがね、噛み合するんですよ。だから、いけすに入れた時に、噛み合わないように、傷つけないように、だから吐く。
In Japan, pufferfish known as fugu are considered a delicacy. But only licensed chefs are allowed to prepare it, as even the slightest mistake could prove fatal.
猛毒ですんで、この中に入れます。そして、
In 1958, the number of people who died from fugu poisoning peaked at 176, but has decreased over time, with about 20 fatalities being reported in Japan since the turn of the 21st century.
Concentrate.
To this day, no known antidote exists.